Raga. Rak. Where are you going? Pada? Odiga. Pada? This is the Cannon Cove Beach Resort. Maganda. Ang ganda niya, in fairness. Diba? Pool. Big pool. Mag-ama. And then, there is a resort. Ganda. Ay, no, diba? Siyalan ka. Marami pa yung building na ginagawa. Hindi. Yun. Pangit ang panahon eh. Makulimlim. Ayun ang beach. Diba? May mga nanguha ng coral. Wow. Yan o. Kulimlim. Konti lang tao. Konting-konti lang talaga. Wow. Pero ang ganda in fairness. Ganda. Ganda. Kaya nagpunta yung dalawa. May mga ano sa pool. Diba? Daming coconut. Pero na umorder ako ng coconut, wala naman daw coconut kasi ubos na. Tama ba naman yun? And then have there, isa pang pool dun, Honey! Where are you going? Wow, there's a lot of coconut. May I see your face? You see, this is a coconut. Coconut tree. You say. O di ka? Ha? Maganda, this pool? Big? Also big? Remodel this one. Pool. 안녕하세요.
안녕하세요.
안녕모te. My baby. Luwak yung raga. Luwak.
Hello.
Hi.
What's your name?
My name is Alexandra Kim. Very tired because so long time riding bus.
How did you long time riding bus?
4 hours.
Wow.
And then Muria pa. But very good place. You see? Good.
This is extra pool, not main pool.
But not hot spring.
But much better, very good.
Maybe this is a condo? Condo unit?
Maybe.
Look like a condo? You know what is this? Tawag dito? Alimutan ko, I forget yung tantan.
You clean your baby face. Very dirty, that boy. Hey, dirty boy.
Hey! Hey! You said, hey, how are you? Fine, thank you. Moya! We going there. Downstairs. Pa! Luwak, Eureka!
Here. I told you there.